Lagos State Police don arrest 103 suspects from one black spot. This one dey happen inside Oshodi Oke and Oshodi Isale. Una know this kind place, say this kind places dey hot inside Lagos State. You wey know Lagos, well, you know say this place na hustling place for all these bad boys. But in fact, this one na great news from the Lagos State Police officers because this one wey I do e sweet me for belle. And we talk say that the commissioner of police now grant this order. Say make these tactical teams go arrest them, these hoodlums and miscreants. But the one wey surprise me on Eid day. The day when Muslims dey celebrate their Eid al-Fitr, say na that day make dem go. I come dey wonder why on this particular day, because I know say people dey celebrate, so why una want make dem go raid on this kind of particular day? But as e be, they raid them and they make sure say they arrest them. These people and people abeg make na follow me see.
The task force during the raid of the Oshodi area arrested 103 hoodlums, recovered drugs and weed suspected to be Indian hemp and dangerous weapons. Police operatives attached to Shagamu Road Division in Ikorodu have also arrested one John Okibe in Ikorodu for threatening and attempting to rob a POS operator. The suspect who was arrested with a toy gun has confessed to the crime.
In fact, I like this move because Oshodi na red zone. No be only Oshodi sef, we get other places like Ajegunle, Volks, Mafoluku, you know all these kind of hard places now. Now there all these kind of hot, what are they? My too, all these kind of places, there they happen. So as this one happen, even me like this, inside that Oshodi, somebody don't tear my hand back, won't try hustle me. If not, and so surprisingly, people go there, they watch, they will do like say they don't even know say anything they happen. You're on your own no, for inside that Lagos State. So as this one way Lagos State people do, it sweets me. And I'm not say the way they don't they rob now inside, it don't dey too much. Inside Lagos hold up, person go carry cutlass, won't come raid you. Fear no even dey broad daylight, now so they do this one. Now here police come and say the solution now be this one. But I beg all these armed robbers, I beg. What on think say solution to hunger now be the thief. But on top this one, they still catch one Mr. John. That one carry toy gun. Go there the rob person. Nigeria, I don't know creativity. You go buy toy gun 15 naira. One day go they catch person, be go they raid person, you be thief. And see in face, you go meet in a one kind gentle person. You don't go believe say this kind of person are criminal. But I beg, no be thief na be the solution to inside this Nigeria problem. Either you go find work, and most they no won't go work. They go just they smoke igbo, they do things. As the police even go where they say they see igbo, weed, cocaine, different type of things. Gun and weapons for their hand. I beg, what all these people they do with this kind of thing? But it show me say this 103 people they catch. I no go surprise say before tomorrow they don't release them. On I'm not on Nigerian police be. If anybody get money now to settle himself, to bail himself in don't go. But now here they go wrong. And I suppose carry the little point, interrogate them, torture them because all this way they do. Later if I release them, they go still go back, go do all this kind of thing. They go still go back, go they thief all these kind of people. But later if I release them, now they go still go back streets, go they thief. No, understand the act of a people because if you reason at 103, I beg which place they won't put them. We said they won't pack them, so they go reason and say no way except to put them. They go release them. And Nigeria na connection with the whole thing for police people. If you don't get money, you don't go scot-free. Nigeria police and money na 5 as bribery. Just bribe them, you do okay. But I hope say this one they go to do one, maybe they go other places safe. And apart from that, all this Abdul where they stay for road. They collect money on I don't know say they collect money. Maybe they hustle for that side, maybe they go that side, say go arrest these people because their own say don't too much. Now themselves they are among the people they cause problem because all those guys say they be thief. They be hoodlums just because they don't give them Tinubu don't give them uniform, may they wear. They'll come the outside say they be better people. May they add to these people, may they carry them. Because their own self, their own even pass thief own. But Lagos State government, in fact, on a police, and they really do well. I hope say I go do well, pass like this, making our work towards all these kind of things. Nigeria suppose better. Now when I talk say Eko ni baje, so making our work towards them so that this thing no go baje. My people, I beg, I hear just one. I can't make a bring and come, make na service na ear. Hear what they happen. Everything what I just hear now, if I get something to talk about, and make na write am inside the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video. How about this? Wey talk say Iyabo Ojo go die, say she go suffer and die. Hey, as e be, Oga don die. Hey, wonder shall never. I don't even know be I go cry for this matter. I be I go laugh because all of us know about this whole Baba Ijesha matter. Wey be say Iyabo Ojo carry this matter for her. She take am serious. Say she go do everything in her powers. Wey be say this whole thing happen between Baba Ijesha and Princess daughter. And I know say most of una know this story. Now there she carry this matter. They complain say anything, any length she go there. Make sure say this Baba Ijesha rot in jail. Now there this baba, I don't know where they see this baba from. Baba can't come outside. Talk say this thing where Iyabo they talk say they go tarnish Iyabo Ojo image. Say in fact Iyabo Ojo go suffer and she go die. As we see another story with the year. But people beg make now watch where this man for talk this thing.
Iyabo Ojo has done a lot of things with men. He has slept with so many men. Yes, he has slept with so many men. When his own judgment will come, it will come from God and will suffer. He will suffer and die. That Iyabo Ojo will suffer and die. Watch him. Now, from here to Abuja. Where is he going at Abuja? What business does he have at Abuja? He's selling Toto. Toto lon takakiri. Because Baba Jesha did not settle him and the other woman very well. That's why they use that one to tarnish him. They don't tarnish him, man. God will surely tarnish that Iyabo Ojo. He will suffer. Watch it.
But what she's fighting for is rights, in my own opinion, because she said she's fighting against child molestation.
If he doesn't do all those wrong things in the presence of that lady, the young girl will not.
Another watch Amabi, Baba don't die. This one I read back to the send. It means say back to the send that they really work. So you wait, think say your life, you didn't die your care. You don't talk say a person go die. Now God chef don't come show you say, this one way you talk now just mere talking. Now him gonna be the power. See where you declare person say a person go die. I don't know because you wear juju for head, or you carry something for head. Now that one I make you come reason and say, you don't get power for this life. Now you alone, I be the Baba. I just now all this one I they give you moral. Say Iyabo Ojo they sleep around. Yes, I even reason this talk with this man talk. The talk never even make sense at all. Because if you look how old man like this, go they talk this kind of thing. Man, we don't go reach this age. We say you suppose even call these two people together, resolve this matter. Now you can't carry the matter. They talk. This one now it shows say power pass power. Because some people say they call the reason and say, maybe Iyabo Ojo don't go do some kind of thing. I make this man die. But I'm not sure that's the case. Maybe God don't already decide, say, okay, this man time don't reach. Coincidentally, now make an himself can go blab, go talk this kind of thing. Because how person go rape person, you go one day they justify and say the thing where the person do is good. It's not good. If say the thing good, then as Iyabo Ojo they even shout, people go there against her. Nobody go support her. But because it's the way this man do, the thing no good. Now make everybody come outside, they against this thing. For you now, a old man like you to come outside, they talk this. I don't know, be na God, now I punish you on your own. No, I be maybe na your mouth, now just go cover you. Maybe as you talk am now, devil I be na God. I don't know who they there, they hear the thing. So as you talk and finish, you gonna say, okay, this one make I do about turn. As you talk and I think come turn back, I don't know, be na so the thing happen. But I beg this one we don't die. Now rest in peace. I will talk for your matter because now only God feel judge now. Waiting kill you, be na ya. I know sure say a hand dey inside, but if na she, we no know. But this one where you talk, I don't know how the thing even take happen for you. Be na your mouth or be na your juju, na go fail you now. But I hear this one, my people. I can't make her bring her. It means every person know the judge. Now God, now if he decide, you will go sit there say, you don't decide say, this one go die tomorrow. God fit just even change the story. Say, okay, you will talk this thing, now you go die. So maybe people beg, they careful. What till they talk? Maybe they careful about what till they talk. My people beg, I hear this one. I can't make her bring and come, make na service na ear. Hear what till they happen inside this Nigeria where we do. Anything in our feel, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you on for the next video.